Has the political landscape of America ever been more intriguing? A recent wave of challenges has surged in Maine, potentially blocking former President Donald Trump's participation in the state's Republican primary in March. The crux of the debate revolves around Trump's eligibility to run for office again, with the 14th and 22nd Amendments at the heart of the controversy. Two of the challenges concentrate on Trump's involvement in the events of January 6, 2020, and his attempts to overturn the 2020 election results. The third challenge argues that Trump's claim of winning re-election makes him ineligible for a third term. But is there substance to these allegations, or are they merely political maneuvering? Maine's Secretary of State and Attorney General had previously announced a review of ballot eligibility criteria, anticipating potential challenges. This preemptive measure underscores the complexity of the situation, as similar challenges are taking place in other states, such as Colorado and New Hampshire. Meanwhile, Maine Secretary of State Shenna Bellows is in the spotlight, wrestling with the decision of whether the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution disqualifies Trump from running again due to his involvement in the January 6th attack on the Capitol. Election officials in other states have deferred to the courts to decide this matter, but Maine law requires Bellows to preside over a public hearing on the issue. This decision, expected by next Friday, could set a precedent, yet it remains appealable to the state's courts. Trump's legal team argues that secretaries of state do not have the authority to make a 14th Amendment determination, while challengers argue otherwise. This legal tug-of-war is not exclusive to Maine, as the Colorado Supreme Court is also considering a challenge to Trump's eligibility, and many expect the U.S. Supreme Court to ultimately decide the issue. So, what does this mean for the future of American politics? The implications of these challenges could be far-reaching, potentially reshaping the political landscape. Regardless of the outcome, the road to the presidential primary remains fraught with suspense and uncertainty, as we wait to see if former President Donald Trump will indeed make it onto the ballot in Maine come March 5th.